Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can schedule a meeting with the deals, or that is about some kind of deal in the future you already have created. So as you can see, we are in HubSpot and we want to go to sales and the deals. That will get us here. At the moment, we have only one deal going on, which is collected by merged deals. So it's one big deal. We have to click on it. As you can see, there's a couple of approaches, let's say, to this deal, how to schedule a meeting. First thing is schedule a meeting straight away underneath the name, the amount, the close date, and the stage. We have schedule. And we can do it like this, or we can use the middle bar and go into meetings in top of here. Both ways work perfectly. Now we just can create the meeting. What are you meeting about? Let's go with business opportunity. Attendees, we can add a people. If there are any people that is working in this company that you are talking about or you are working with, for now it's Alex Blue that I already have as a employee of the company that I'm going to buy a rockets from, and we just scratched him in. Attendees is Alex Blue. Let's go for Friday of 7th. We can go 10:30 a.m. and the duration will be 1 hour and 15 minutes. We have set our date and time. We can go with attendee description with Alex Blue, for example, who he is and who he represents, or team notes. Or we can just save it. As you can see in the bottom right corner, we have connect to Google Calendar or Office 365. We will do that later. So it will automatically transform these values or these dates into your Google Calendar, which is great stuff that basically with integrations, you can get HubSpot to an extra level and everybody will be able to see the workflow or the amount of work you are putting into this meeting. But for now, we are clicking save, and here we have it. We have upcoming meeting, business opportunity by me, and yet it's at activity bar as well. So that's how you schedule a meeting with a deals opportunity. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.